Let's take a live look at how Smart Vault continuously protects your data. Right now, the company whose demo we're viewing has critical data from 60 plus employees automatically backing up to a centralized server. This means no employee needs to take manual backups. On a daily basis, the real-time automated backup process runs smoothly in the background. On the screen, you can first see the server dashboard. Here, you get complete visibility: server hardware details, storage utilization, RAM status, overall system health, everything in a single view. Now let's move to an important feature: ping details. As soon as I click on refresh, all client systems connected to the server instantly reflect here. Currently, a total of 64 systems are deployed for backup. Out of these, 52 systems are online and 12 systems are offline. Offline simply means the system is not currently powered on, so its data is not being received. With this feature, we can immediately identify which systems are properly connected, whether there is any issue, and whether backups are running smoothly. Now let's check the backup history. As soon as I refresh, I get complete daily details: which system's data was backed up, when it was backed up, and how much data was backed up. For example, this is a user from the accounts department. If they update and save an Excel file, the updated version automatically reflects on the server. Manual intervention? Zero. Complete automation. If I want to check the backup history for 25th February, I simply select the date and click on Show History. Within seconds, I can see which user's data was backed up, at what time, and from which location to the server. And the most powerful part, the entire year's backup history can be accessed anytime. Now you can see two sides on the screen. Left side is the server, right side is the client system. If I make any change to a file on the client system, that change instantly reflects on the server. Even if I download a new file, the moment it appears in the Downloads folder, within seconds it gets backed up to the server. Real-time synchronization. Less than a second delay. And for all this, it is not necessary to be physically present near the server. From the web panel, we can check license status, monitor client heartbeat, view total backup data, verify ping status, and analyze graphical reports. In the Client Overview section, we get complete details of every system: license status, operating system, system architecture, IP address, MAC address, system model, system name, username, everything centralized, everything transparent. In the Storage Statistics section, we can track daily activity: how much data was updated by each user, which file was last modified, and which system has been inactive for how many days. A complete monitoring ecosystem. So basically, Smart Vault is not just a backup software. It is a complete data protection and monitoring solution. Automated, secure, real-time, scalable. And most importantly, it protects your business from the risks of downtime and data loss. Because in today's world, data loss is not just an IT issue. It's a business risk. Thank you.